Doing all this dope up in the chopper. We forgot the bitches had the trapper. I can't trust you, okay, can you really trust? I can't trust you, okay, can you really trust? In a minute, be like Paris Gaga. I might fall in love with my trap.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today you join me with a brand new mod for the 197. Now it's a small mod, but it's gonna make the car stand out a bit more at night. So no, it's not on the glow because that is so too fast, too furious, bruh. But yeah, we're gonna be installing LED headlights, and today I'm gonna show you how to do that. It's gonna be a short video because it's very easy to do, so it's not so long thing. But yeah, anyway, I'm loving the car so far. Great, stupid quick, but yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I got these from Amazon a few hours ago, and it came already. I got a sore throat, so my throat is kind of like on fucking fire. But yeah, this is basically what comes in the box. Just two LED headlights, and it should be easy to install. Okay, basically what you're gonna want to do is look for a little slit up in here, and it should undo it. It should come right out like that, I think. And yeah, so once you get that out, that's the old bulb. Yes, once you get that out. Oh my god, that's a chicken. Yeah, so basically you're gonna pull this one out like this. I think you can do it, yeah. Now you can't screw that in, so you pry that out basically. You push this little tab down, and then you get like a little blade here, and you pry it up as well. I can't do it with one hand because it's fucking long. So. Okay, so that is how you install LED headlights. Now, I'm sorry if the tutorial was a bit all over the place because I've never done that before, and I'm not trying to mess it up because, you know, it's a 197, you know. But anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. We're gonna have a couple more mods soon. Hopefully one about pops and bangs. Alright, cool, so stay tuned. Peace.